All right, let's jump right into this. Welcome to today's Explainer, where we're actually taking on a pretty high-stakes investigation into something that you might literally have sitting in your pantry right this second. So, with the massive explosion of black seed oil hitting pharmacy shelves everywhere lately, the market is just absolutely flooded with fakes. We're talking about Nigella Sativa here, and there is a huge, fundamental difference between a true clinical structural repair tool and, well, a really clever marketing trick. Today we're unpacking what we call the volcanic payload, and exactly why, when it comes to getting real cellular benefits, the Ethiopian origin might just be your one and only biological option. Let's get into it.
So, first things first, are you chasing a biological ghost? Because the hard truth is, you're very likely holding a bottle right now labeled Ethiopian Gold Standard that is completely empty of the actual biological triggers your body is looking for. Sure, it looks the part, the label's incredibly fancy and convincing, but it completely lacks the actual volcanic DNA your cells literally require to trigger any kind of recovery.
Here's the crucial point to remember. Your oil must be a clinical tool, not just some industrial byproduct. See, most brands on the market right now are essentially hijacking the ancient, revered reputation of the Ethiopian highlands, using it as a mere marketing mask. They just slap the word Ethiopian on the front label to sell you seeds that never actually faced the specific, intense environmental stress of high-altitude volcanic soil. And listen, if it didn't face that stress, it simply doesn't have the chemical payload needed to silence your internal alarms. Over the next few minutes, I'm going to expose exactly what you need to look for so you aren't being played.
Act 1. The geographical fraud.
Act 2. The biology of altitude.
To really understand how rampant this geographic deception is in the supplement industry, we have to pivot away from the marketing and look straight at the biology. Think about the specific environmental stressors at play in the Ethiopian highlands. You've got high altitude, rich volcanic soil, and highly specific, challenging rainfall patterns. Well, when a plant grows in a harsh environment like that, it reacts, right? It protects itself. These extreme conditions fundamentally change the seed's entire chemical profile. The plant has to work so much harder just to survive, and because of that, it packs the seed with a much denser, richer concentration of nutrients and volatile oils. That's not branding, that is just pure biology at work.
And that fascinating biological response leads us straight to the ultimate prize, thymoquinone, or as it's commonly known, TQ. This is often referred to in the space as the God molecule. It's literally the most studied compound in the Nigella sativa plant, and it's the absolute key driver behind all those incredible antioxidant and anti-inflammatory benefits. We're talking about a compound that's critical for supporting immune function, helping manage allergies by calming the body's histamine response, and even aiding in keeping blood sugar levels healthy. But here is the massive secret the industry really doesn't want you to know. TQ levels are not uniform. They vary wildly depending on what region the seed comes from.
And the research completely backs this up. As noted in our source material, seeds from this region consistently test high in the compounds researchers care about. That right there is the hard scientific reason why the word Ethiopian became a signal for quality in the first place. It grounds this ancient, time-honored remedy firmly in modern clinical research. But having the right seed, that's really only half the battle.
Which brings us to Act 3, the extraction trap. Okay, I have to warn you about this part, because even the absolute most potent volcanic highland seed just overflowing with thymoquinone can become therapeutically useless in a matter of seconds during the extraction phase. If that seed hits the wrong machine, everything we just talked about is completely destroyed. It's a stark contrast. On one hand, you have cold-pressed extraction. This is a very gentle process that preserves all those delicate nutrients and the TQ integrity. On the other hand, you have expeller-pressed or high-heat extraction, which causes thermodynamic degradation. Basically, it scorches the oil. It is literally like deep frying a delicate vitamin. It just ruins it. That's why the gentle, cold-pressing method is absolutely 100% non-negotiable.
I really cannot stress this point enough. Thermal danger is real. Heat destroys the God molecule, period. If your oil was expeller-pressed or refined at high temperatures, what you're left with is basically an incredibly expensive, therapeutically dead vegetable oil. Sure, it might still smell like black seed oil, but it completely lacks the chemical integrity that your body is actually starving for. The volatile oils are just gone.
Now, if you're sitting there suddenly realizing that your current bottle might be one of these ghost oils, hey, don't panic. You can step up and become a quality detective right now. Before you take even one more dose, I want you to verify the data. I've actually put together a free guide called Avoid These 5 Lies When Buying Black Seed Oil. It breaks down exactly, step by step, how to spot these industry deceptions. Go ahead and grab the link in the pinned comment below so you never ever get fooled by a fancy label again.
Act 4.
the buying protocol.
So, to truly reclaim your health and actually get the real benefits of this ancient remedy, your buying protocol has to completely shift away from flashy brand names and focus entirely on strict clinical standards. Here are the 3 non-negotiable steps you've got to follow. Step 1. The cold-pressed mandate. You must specifically look for cold-pressed to avoid that thermodynamic degradation we just talked about. Step 2. Seed origin verification. You need to ensure the seeds were actually grown in Ethiopia to guarantee that specific volcanic nutrient profile, not just shipped there and bottled, but actually grown there. And step 3, demand third-party proof. Actually, let's take a closer look at that last one.
This right here is your third-party proof checklist. You need a certificate of analysis. You need the real TQ content printed right there on the actual bottle. And you absolutely need heavy metal screening. Listen to me on this one. If a brand does not show you the actual lab numbers on the bottle, it's because they simply don't have them. Brands that test, they display their numbers proudly for everyone to see. Brands that don't, they hide behind vague, fluffy marketing claims. Our source material actually uses the Bionatal standard as a true benchmark of truth for this protocol. When you look at their standards, cold-pressed extraction, direct sourcing straight from Ethiopia to ensure those optimal growing conditions, certified organic and non-GMO, and total, uncompromised transparency with rigorous lab testing, it's incredibly clear. Compare that to the murky reality of the general market, which is full of expeller-pressed oils, vague or blended sourcing, totally unverified claims, and completely missing data. Choosing an ethical, tested standard is literally the only way you actually get the benefits of this time-honored elixir.
Number 1. Okay, so once you've followed this protocol and you finally secured a real potent bottle of Ethiopian black seed oil, how do you actually use it? Well, a really reasonable starting point is just 1 teaspoon a day, ideally taken with food. Now, of course, always remember to consult your healthcare professional before making any significant changes to your health regimen, especially if you're taking other medications. But yeah, 1 teaspoon is a fantastic baseline for introducing this incredibly potent antioxidant into your daily routine.
Act 5, the final insight.
So we've covered the geography, we've gone through the biology, and we've exposed the extraction traps. But it all really boils down to one absolute fundamental truth about human biology. Purity is the only currency the human body accepts for structural repair. It is time to stop settling for biologically empty supplements and ridiculously expensive vegetable oils. Provide your system with the true volcanic payload it was designed to utilize. I'm challenging you today to join the 1% of people who truly understand their cellular biology and demand absolute excellence from their health inputs.
But before we wrap up, I want to leave you with one final, kind of uncomfortable thought. Even if the bottle says all the right things, how do you actually know your oil is real once you open it up? Well, in our next explainer, I'm going to reveal 3 rapid tests you can do right at home that expose fake Ethiopian black seed oil in under 2 minutes each. Believe me, you will not want to miss that investigation. Stay focused, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next explainer.